Hi everyone. So here we have a result sheet of some students and their score displayed in front of them. Now we need to calculate the summary in three different levels. The first, number of students with score above 70. Second, students scoring from 45 to 70, and students with score less than 45. So we can do it using the formula. So is equal to count if bracket open, selecting the range, comma, criteria you have to give. The criteria should be in quotation marks. So quotation, then greater sign, then 70, then quotation, then bracket. So 7 students have scored more than 70 marks. Then you have to use two conditions. From 45 to 70 means all students who have obtained 45 or more than 45 till 70. So here you have to use a formula count ifs because you have multiple criteria. So you have to give the first criteria range, first to last student, comma. The first criteria is, in quotation marks, you need greater than or equal to 45 quotations, comma. Second criteria range. So you have the same criteria range, comma. Then you have to give in quotations either less than or equal to 70 marks. So 70 will also be included. Enter. So 15 students have scored from 45 to 70. The third is simple, up to 45. So you will be using count if, bracket open, range from first to last student, comma, the criteria here in quotation, less than 45, bracket close. So as you can see here, so the total is 25 students. As we can see here, total 25 students were given and we have calculated the summary. Hope you have understood it. Thank you everyone.